So Amazon has about 3 billion transactions a year. Tmall, which is on the right bottom there, that's Alibaba, and it has about 13 billion transactions a year. Why is there a difference? Alibaba has something called Tmall, and what it is it's basically a virtual mall. If you're Ralph Lauren and you do business with a company like a Tmall, you go on there and it looks like a Ralph Lauren branded page. It looks all nice and pretty and like Ralph Lauren-esque, but it's actually fulfilled by Tmall. It's operated by Tmall. That's where I think Amazon is going. And Amazon started this partnership with Nike. I used to work at Nike. I'm telling you right now, there is no way Nike is going to go full force on Amazon with a $160 shoe with a user interface that hasn't changed over the past the course of 10 years. Like, if you pause and you think about it, I mean, we all shop on Amazon. We all buy everything on Amazon, or we think we buy everything on Amazon. We don't buy as much on as we think we do. But the fact is that user interface is a disaster. It hasn't changed in a very, very long time. So now we get to a point where Amazon is going to switch over, and this isn't part of the consensus narrative, this is part of mine, and I have a very good reason why I think it'll happen, is that Nike is going to be the pilot for a redesigned user interface on Amazon. So now you'll go to amazon.nike.com, nike.amazon.com, I don't know what the hell it'll be called. The fact is, you'll go over to Amazon and you'll see this like beautiful Nike-esque branded kind of picture interface, call it what you will, where you can actually go and buy a relatively high-priced shoe. This is the death of Foot Locker, like just short Foot Locker right now. That's how bad this is. And then I think this is a bigger deal for Amazon than it is Nike, because then Amazon goes and they say, okay, everybody else out there who's underinvested in e-com over the course of a decade, we're going to take this model here and we're going to offer it over to you. Under Armour, I mean, Ralph Lauren, Lazy Boy has a page now on Amazon. I mean, it's very, very far. You can get all these kind of middle to slightly above average brands who can have their own page on Amazon, which can make up for a decade's worth of underinvestment. That's what gets Amazon's total transactions. It would be GMV, but going from, I guess that wouldn't affect number of transactions, going from a $3 billion number to even a $3.5 billion number, a $4 billion number. There's a lot of upside there. If there's one bull case on Amazon I could point to right now, aside from the fact that it's Amazon, that's at a consensus, that would be it, because I don't think it's being talked about, and it will accrue. I could come back in 6 months and say, hey, here's a company that it was dead and dying, and I had it in my retail junk tail basket, and now all of a sudden I think it could actually be alive because it has access to all of Amazon Prime and Amazon subprime, as I call it, which is where it's going. So a really big theme here. I think it starts playing out in the back half of this year.